How to log out of YouTube account on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out of YouTube account on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to log out of YouTube account on your iPhone is very simple. Let's say you watch YouTube from your iPhone's YouTube app over here, and whenever you're on the home page you are signed into one of your accounts by default. And if you'd like to log out of YouTube account on iPhone, tap your YouTube account profile from here, then tap the switch account button that you can find over here. So when you go to switch account, you should be able to see a list of other accounts that you want to switch to, but since you want to log out, right at the bottom you'll find one of the options that says use YouTube signed out. So this is the option that we want to click on, so tap the use YouTube signed out option. As you do that, you'll be successfully signed out of YouTube here, and then you can log out of YouTube in this way on iPhone. This way you can log out YouTube account on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.